Eat lemon once a day, see what happens. Lemons are high in vitamin C, fiber, and various beneficial plant compounds. These nutrients are responsible for several health benefits. In fact, lemons may support heart health, weight control, and digestive health. Here are what happens to your body if you eat lemon once a day for a month. Number 1. Help control weight. Lemons are often promoted as a weight loss food, and there are a few theories as to why this is. One common theory is that the soluble pectin fiber in them expands in your stomach, helping you feel full for longer. That said, not many people eat lemons whole. And because lemon juice contains no pectin, lemon juice drinks will not promote fullness in the same way. However, drinking water is known to temporarily increase the number of calories you burn, so it may be the water itself that is helping with weight loss, not the lemon. Other theories suggest that the plant compounds in lemons may aid weight loss. Research shows that plant compounds in lemon extracts may help prevent or reduce weight gain in a number of ways. Number 2. Support heart health. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C. One lemon provides about 31 milligrams of vitamin C, which is 51% of the reference daily intake. Research shows that eating fruits and vegetables, rich in vitamin C, reduces your risk of heart disease and stroke. However, it's not only the vitamin C that is thought to be good for your heart. The fiber and plant compounds in lemons could also significantly lower some risk factors for heart disease. For instance, one study revealed that eating 24 grams of citrus fiber extract daily for a month reduced total blood cholesterol levels. Number 3. Prevent kidney stones. Kidney stones are small lumps that form when waste products crystallize and build up in your kidneys. They are quite common, and people who get them often get them repeatedly. Citric acid may help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and increasing urine pH, creating a less favorable environment for kidney stone formation. Just a 1/2 cup, 4 ounces or 125 milliliters of lemon juice per day may provide enough citric acid to help prevent stone formation in people who have already had them. Some studies also found that lemonade effectively prevented kidney stones, but the results have been mixed. Other studies have shown no effect. Therefore, more well-conducted studies need to examine whether lemon juice affects kidney stone formation. Number 4. Improve digestive health. Lemons are made up of about 10% carbs, mostly in the form of soluble fiber and simple sugars. The main fiber in lemons is pectin, a form of soluble fiber linked to multiple health benefits. Soluble fiber can improve gut health and slow the digestion of sugars and starches. These effects may result in reduced blood sugar levels. However, to get the benefits of fiber from lemons, you need to eat the pulp. People who drink lemon juice, without the fiber found in the pulp, will miss out on the benefits of the fiber. Number 5. Reduce cancer risk. A healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables may help prevent some cancers. Some observational studies have found that people who eat the most citrus fruit have a lower risk of cancer, while other studies have found no effects. In test tube studies, many compounds from lemons have killed cancer cells. However, they may not have the same effect on the human body. Some researchers think that plant compounds found in lemons, such as limonene and naringenin, could have anti-cancer effects, but this hypothesis needs further investigation. Number 6. Protect against anemia. Iron deficiency anemia is quite common. It occurs when you don't get enough iron from the foods you eat. Lemons contain some iron, but they primarily prevent anemia by improving your absorption of iron from plant foods. Your gut absorbs iron from meat, chicken, and fish very easily, while iron from plant sources not as easily. However, this absorption can be improved by consuming vitamin C and citric acid. Because lemons contain both vitamin C and citric acid, They may protect against anemia by ensuring that you absorb as much iron as possible from your diet. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.